Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery in your wireless glass break detector. Locate your glass break detector. You may need a stepladder to reach the device. Before you begin, make sure your system is disarmed and let the monitoring center know you'll be doing maintenance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR123A lithium battery. Locate the tab on the underside of the transmitter. Press your screwdriver or finger and gently push to pop open the cover. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Inside, you'll see the CR123A battery. Notice the orientation, with the positive plus side facing the marking on the device. Gently lift the battery out using your tool or fingertip, and set it aside for proper recycling. Now, take your new CR123A battery and insert it into the holder positive side facing the marking. Press it in gently until it clicks securely into place. Align the cover with the base and press until it snaps shut. Make sure it's flush on all sides. Check the zone info for the detector at your keypad and test the sensor by clapping loudly. The low battery warning should clear automatically after a few minutes. And that's it. Your glass break detector is now operating with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.